Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change out this sway bar Endlink or the bushing out of the 1995 GMC Sierra and the 1995 Chevy Silverado. So you can do this by using the K5252. In this case, I'm going to use the X5252 out of the suspension kit right here, and the Moog K6439. Let's go ahead and get her done, guys. Okay, let's begin. Always easy and best to remove the tire, to do the end link right there, or to do this sway bar. But for sake of this video, I am not going to raise up the car. I am not going to remove that end link yet. I'm going to do one by one. Just in case you're watching this video that you only doing your bushing, that means you can do your bushing without moving this stuff, or you only doing your end link. In that case, it will help you out. To remove this bolt over here, you're going to need a 10 millimeter over here, and then some kind of extension. That way it will reach up there like that over there. And then use whatever you got to loosen this one up. It's like that over here. It is a long one, but it is down over here. So now remove this one. It's like that. Kind of rusty over here. And then get the other one. Whoa, it's kind of heavy. Now let it hang like this, and then clean the surface, and then your bolts as well, just in case they're rusty. This is the new one, and this is the really bad one over here. As you can see right there, the difference right here. This one over here is like wore out. This is nothing. It's ripped over there, as you can see right there. It's time to change it out with this one. Looks better, and this is still good, but it's time to go to the trash. Now after cleaning everything out like this over here and over here, I just go ahead and open this lady up like here, just like that, and of course get you a bracket and slide up here. Oh my gosh, this thing it's perfect. Usually sometimes there is a little space between the bracket and the rubber, but this is over here, this is so perfect. Now after that, get a thread locker or other seats over here. In this case, I'm going to use this one over here, so you can use whatever. I don't think it's a lot of vibration over here, but this over here, it will help to rust out over here, because the bottom of the truck over here is very rusty, so it will help this out just like this. And now this is the hard part over here, because sometimes this hole over here, it will hard to line up with those holes right there. So this is a little bit hard over here, so let's go ahead and slide it back up there, just like this over here, slowly, little by little. That's good enough, and let's do the outside. This is exactly what I said, to move the tire and the end link before do this, because it is a pain in the butt to adjust this thing in here. It is not easy unless you have to tune your wheel somehow, somewhat, but and then it will change the original position of the sway bar. Hope it's in there right now. Snag it up a little bit, because I'll keep it loose. If not, just like that. That way we can do the outside easy until the other one in the position, and then we can tighten this one back down. On this side it's going to be even harder because it is already on there. But I am not going to talk anymore. I'm just going to put you on time lapse. Wow, that was a pain in the keister to line it back up over here. That's what exactly I said. You had to remove the end link over there to do this one. But we got it done. At this moment, you can go ahead, tie it down, and get it going. But in my case, I still got to do the end link, so I'm going to leave it loose like this. That way, I'm going to have some slack on the end link over there. Now, to do the end link, you need a 13 millimeter deep socket, and just put it like that. And on the top right here, you need a 13 millimeter as well. It can be a wrench or a socket over here. All right, let's get it done. Put that up there like that, and then get the other one down here. All right, after this one comes out like this, it's hard. Get a ledge hammer, get it right there. What the heck? Okay, put it up here. It should come out. It should. Here we go. Pull this up over here. It is out, and this is ugly. Okay, here she is. She is very old. Look at that. And look at the metal over here. It's like all eaten up. If you see the new one, see the difference? Right there. That's the reason you need to change this one out. In this case, to put the X5252 on this, since this is the X5252, now you're going to need a different size tool. This is the 14. It was 13 for the old one, and now that is out of the way, now you need the 14, and you need this as well. You can use a shadow socket for instead of this one, but you have to have this one because of this thing over here have to be like fit in there. So let's go ahead, put this one back in there on time lapse. Well, let me go back just a little bit to put this one back in there. This one's supposed to go like, see that thing over there? Supposed to go like this, to like face to face, and then over here it should be the this bay bar between it, or whatever this one goes to. It's the metal goes between here and here. You don't want to do it like this. It's like this, supposed to go like that, and then just like that, and then you not over here. Let's do that. Okay, This should do it. As soon as it start marshalling it out right here, leave it like that. This stuff over here, it does not need to be torqued down. Okay, finally finished. Same thing over here, that is on the right and on the other side, right there. And then the sway bar Endlink, but this should do the job. As you can see right there, it's marching up perfectly. Same thing on the top over there. This product, it fit my perfectly fine. It's not bad at all. You can see over here, it is looks good. As you see in the beginning of the video, I show you the box of the suspension kit over there. So in the next work or next video, I'm going to do the outer and inner tire right over here. If I'm going to do a video, should be on the left screen of you. You can watch that video too. Or I'm going to do a wheel bearing replacement over here, because that over here, it needs a new wheel bearing. This job, it is perfectly done. I got it done. It's everything good. But you don't want to do it this way. It's better to raise up the car, move the tire. That way you can have more flexibility, more room to reach from there and instead of reaching through here. So I do not recommend do it this way. I just did it this way to give you an idea how hard this way. That's the only reason I did this video. If it wasn't for this video, I would have raised up the car, removed the tire, and then do the job right fast. It could be 20 minutes, 30 minutes. This job is been done. But in this way, don't do it, guys. This is looks easy, but it's not easy. So hope you learned something from this video. I do appreciate everything what you do here, for you subscribing, sharing, and liking my video. I appreciate all that. Once again, guys, thank you very much. Until next video. Bye bye.